Okay, PS3 battery replacements. Picked up a repair. I should say a replacement for this. Boom. Throw it around. I actually, this I believe was already tried to be repaired or changed out because this only has 1, 2, 3 screws in it. So the battery replacements are fairly simple for these. Literally take out the screw. This is the battery that was in this one. It's not too bad, not bowed or anything like that. I'll stick that up there. And then this one comes back. It just, this replacement one just doesn't have the little notches that that one does to fit right in there. So basically you're just going to take this. It's not going to go in right now. Yeah. There you go, it's in. And then I can just take this, set it up against there. I can take some electrical tape, tape it down so just in case it doesn't jiggle about. There, that doesn't move around. Then make sure these springy bits are up there. Proper terminology, springy bits. Okay. Make sure it clips in. So I had one that came out. And I think those other ones aren't in there also because of the I mean, for free controller,